friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to like word problem. We have given a word problem. First, we have to find and convert this word problem into mathematical expression, and after that we have to find the number which is unknown. So before starting, like here we have the four answers. So we have to select which answer is correct in this answer list. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's start the topic. As you can see on the screen, we have like three statements. First statement is the sum of two numbers is 22. And the second statement, if you see, five times one number is equal to six times to other. And the third one is basically it they are finding like the number is we have to find the number which is unknown. So here we have the first statement, which is sum of two number is 22. So here we will first we have to write this statement and find out what is the expression of this. So this expression says that we have the sum means plus, and here have we have the two numbers. But the important thing here is we have here is two numbers, not a number, not a one number. Basically here we have two numbers which is unknown. So let's suppose we have number is x, which is first number. You can say like first number you have x, and the second number is y. So these two numbers are basically we have if you see in the expression, so says that x plus y equals to 22. Two sum of two numbers equals to is means equals to. The is shows that equals to 22. So this is the expression one to for this question. And if we talk about the second expression, so the second part of this question is five times one number, one number, like first number. So we assume that first number is x and second number is y. So one number is x, which is equal to five times five multiplied by, and is equal to, like this one is equal to six times to other, six times to y. Other number is y. So this is the second expression. So now we have to find out the value of x as per question. But here we have the two unknowns. So we cannot find directly the value of x here. So now we have to find out the value of x. So first we have to find out the value of y. So the value of y is also unknown. So we have two unknowns, two equations. So what we can do, we will arrange first equation such that it will in terms of other variable, and after that we will put the value of first variable into second equation. So here we will write like, so from equation 1, we will arrange like this way: x equals to 22 minus y. So it is equation 3. Now we will put equation 2. We will write the value of x in equation 2 such that like 5 multiplied by bracket 22 minus y and equals to 6y. Now we will arrange multiply first 5 multiplied by 22, which is equals to 110 minus 5y equals to 6y. Now again we will move forward, like we will write 110 here, and we will move forward 6y minus, and here we will shift the minus 5 5, so it will become the plus 5 5, and here we are transposing minus 5 5 to right hand side. So here we have 11 sorry, 110 equals to 11y. So if 11 is multiplied with y, so we will say like y equals to 10, 110 equals to upon 11. So 11 1 the 11 and 11 1 the 11 and 0, 11 zeros are 11. So it means that we have the value of y equals to 10. But here we do not have to find the value of 10. We have to find the value of x. So we will put this value into equation 3. So we will write like this way, equation 3 it implies that so x equals to 22 minus 10. As you can see on the screen, like we have 22 minus 5. So here we have the x equals to 12. So the value of unknown number, which is x, equals to 12. So the answer of this question is B. B is the correct answer. I hope you understand how you can solve this type of question in your exam if you have. And this is very simple, but it is tricky. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.